Welcome to our diesel fuel demo featuring our diesel additive Xp3 and some other popular brands here. We're going to start out with the ecological test, and we're going to add a little bit of these products in each test tube. Again, this takes a couple seconds to do this, but I want to make sure that you guys see that I'm putting these products in and that I'm not tampering with this test at all. These are some popular products here for our area. Other areas might have other products that they have a tendency to use. But and then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add, I've got a little bit of number 2 diesel here. I'm going to add this into here. And then finally our product here, the Xp3. So now we'll take and throw Q-tips in here, and I'm just going to burn each one of these and show you how they all burn. We'll start out with competitor number 1. So as you can see, these products are pretty sooty. This is the diesel. And then here's the Xp3. Now, the importance for that is our emission standards that we have out today. That's why we have EGR valves. It's why we have regen systems, particulate filters. They're trying to cut down on that soot. So that's what I wanted to demonstrate here, is that our product does reduce soot up to 60%. Now the next problem that we have in our fuel is that we get water in there. Biodiesel collects water, we get condensation. I'm going to just go ahead and add 5 drops of my water with 1 drop of green food coloring in it so that we can pronounce it for the camera. Alright, so as you can see, the 3 competitor fuel additives and the diesel fuel, the water went directly to the bottom. Because they're petroleum based and water's heavier, it goes right to the bottom. The Xp3 dispersed into one homogeneous solution. Now it's not an alcohol, an aromatic, or a naphtha. But let's see how this burns again. Let's just prove our point here by doing another burn test. So you hear that little bit of a sizzle? That's the water burning. Water actually makes it burn a lot more soot, makes it burn colder, it produces a lot more soot. and then diesel fuel. You see that crackle that was in there? That's what makes an injector fail. Xp3. So again, we have a very clean product. We didn't have the sizzle. We didn't have the crackle. I like to do one more test with this. I use a water finding paste here, and this will turn red if it finds water. So I'll just stick it in one of these here, and you should see it turn red. Oh, and I'll throw some in the Xp3. Now, as you can see, the end of that turned red where it found the water. The Xp3 remained gold, not detecting water. I'll take the one with the water on it and throw that in here too. Now you can see that Xp3 is actually pulling the water out of the other Q-tip that turned red. So again, this is another very impressive product. The problems that we're having with diesel, with the emission standards, the 2-micron injectors and things like that, we need a good quality product that's going to stabilize the fuel, burn efficiently, and reduce those EGR valve problems and the particulate filter problems.